Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1956 Chevrolet 210. This car's got, I think it's 2,500 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Gorgeous car, man. Clean Alabama car. It's finished in a two-tone lipstick red and white. It's got the black and white interior. Pretty car. It's got all tubular front suspension with adjustable coilovers. Good running small block Chevy 350. Disc brakes, power steering. It's got CPP control power steering box on it. Pretty car, man. This car's got a great look. I bought this car from a gentleman out of Alabama. I believe he bought it out of Tennessee before he restored it. Awesome car though, man. I'm telling you, runs and drives excellent. Got plenty of power. You can see the chrome and stainless is very nice. There's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on this car, guys. It's just a little something. I don't know what that is. Gorgeous paint. It's got all tinted glass in it. I feel like I'm constantly apologizing about the pollen, but as soon as we pull them out here right now, guys, they're just covered. Love the two-tone. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Those are BF Goodrich GForce TAs on the rear, or on the, I think, front and rear. It's got 17-inch Foose wheels. This is a nice car, man. Again, power front disc brakes. Again, good running 350 Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got the Edelbrock polished intake on it. Ceramic headers. Again, you can see it's all tubular upper and lower control arms. Power steering. It's got a CPP box on it. Power disc brakes. 350 trans. They said it's got a little stall converter in it. Nice car, man. Turn the key, take it right to a car show. Again, all tinted glass, new door handles. All new carpet, all new interior. Bench seat. It's got tilt wheel in it. Lokar shifter. Interior is gorgeous in this car. $25.97 on your odometer. It's got some Sunpro gauges underneath. It's got a JVC custom sound system in it. Dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear end. It's a 355 limited slip. Spare. It's all body color in here. Sorry guys, I'm trying to put that so I can shut it. Got it up on the hoist, got some good pictures of the underside of it. Nice car, man. It's got the custom kick panels with the speakers in them. Pretty car, man. Nice little cam to it. Fuel gauge works. Your other gauges down here. I think the only thing that's not on there is a voltmeter, huh?
Yeah, that's
everything else is working down there. You see even the license plate lights work. Tell you what, that car sounds good, man.
By professionals, open to
Radio works, blower motor, Jay?
Yep.
Blower motor does work, guys. Doors open and close. Fit and finish is excellent on this car. Wipers work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that's pretty, man. That car is just, I'm telling you, that thing just jumps out at you. That car is stunning, man. Have a great day, guys.